What's up guys, we're here with AJ from the Car Review Guys channel. If you haven't seen him yet, make sure you go over there and give his channel a subscribe. We're gonna head over to the museum and maybe work on another video that we're planning for you guys, but stay tuned for that. Alright guys, we have made it over here to the NCM Motorsports Complex. For those of you that don't know, that is the National Corvette Motorsports Park. They have a track day going on right now, so we should be able to get some cool footage for you guys. I'm pretty sure a new ZR1 just rolled on track, so let's go see if we can't see that.
The cars stacked up out here at the track. A lot of people sweet
Get it.
Oh dude, he's hammering.
Oh, he's pulling off. What's that? So here we have the 2019 ZR1 with the full ZTK package on it. Got the big old carbon wing on the back. Some real sticky tires. You can see they've been doing some work if we look down here. Plenty of track toys here at the track today. Got a nice GT3 RS, very pretty orange color. I'm usually not a fan of the orange, but I am a fan of the orange on the new ZR1, and I've always liked this Porsche orange as well. So AJ and I just had a little conversation with the track manager here at NCM. Now AJ, I don't know about you, but I think we got some pretty good results. What do you think?
I think so too. I mean, he had some pretty positive energy about it. So.
Pretty positive things. So what that means is you guys have to stay tuned, you have to subscribe, and you have to stay watching for the next video that we do here at the NCM Motorsports Complex. All right, we've made it over here to the Corvette Museum now. We're gonna go in and check out some cars. Something a lot of people don't know, you can order your Corvette and have it delivered to you in the museum. All you have to do is select option RC8 when you do the order, and then you'll have some nice ropes like this for your car when you come pick it up. I don't know if you can see that, but this is in fact a manual. So we have another manual ZR1 hitting the streets. Shout out to Street Speed 717 real quick. I'm pretty sure he was the very first manual ZR1 to be delivered. This little classic service station they have set up in here is so cool. Here's where it all started, guys, the very first Z06. Originally it was just kind of a track pack option from the factory that you could get if you wanted to race your car. Over the years it evolved into being sort of its own car, and now you can get one at almost any dealership. I really like this 63. This is one of my favorite body styles, especially with all the little extra aero bits and louvers and all that. This is just this kind of the skeleton and the very bare bones of what's under a Corvette. So a lot of people ask me what exactly the transaxle transmission is, and this car is a perfect way to explain it. If you can kind of see, you've got the engine up there, and then you've got the shaft and everything, and you've got a shifter. If you look directly under the shifter, you don't really see anything else. It's a little bit dark in there. The transmission is actually mounted back here for the weight distribution to be good. If you look up in there, you can actually see where everything would be. The clutch and all that actually is, the clutch pedal would be up there, but the actual clutch would be back here. This is an automatic, of course, so it's not the best example, but you can see what I mean. Most of you have probably never seen one of these before. This was the original 1986 mid-engine Corvette concept. It never made it out of a concept stage, but kind of giving us some ideas what might be coming with the C8. I'll give you guys a little peek back here what they're working on. Nothing too crazy this time. Last time I was here, there was a Greenwood Vet sitting in here. If you know anything about Greenwoods, they're awesome. If you don't know what they are, look it up because they're really super cool. There used to be one sitting right here. I was hoping I'd be able to show you guys. Actually, I think the Corvette that I'm talking about was sitting over here where this one is, but either way, it's not here. If you see this tape right here, a sinkhole occurred here several years back and swallowed all these cars that you see here in the middle. We're gonna check out those cars and see what they look like now. Right here is the 1/1,000,000th Corvette that was ever made. It was swallowed up by the sinkhole too, as you can see right there, but they've got it cleaned up pretty good now. These cars over here were not nearly as lucky. I'd say these will never look any better than they do today, with still all the dirt that they had on them when they came out. It's pretty nuts to me to think that a sinkhole did this. Like, how unlucky could you get to have a sinkhole pop up under a car museum? I think it's pretty safe to say that this guy got it the worst. The passenger seat is all the way over on top of the driver's seat, if you can see that. It's pretty rough.
It goes down there pretty far. That's how far the cars fell.
Here's that greenwood I was talking about that I couldn't show you guys over there. I'm super happy that it's still here. This thing is one of my favorite Corvettes that I've ever seen by far. Huh, what's that? Buick 60 Special Bug. Never seen one of those before. You guys ever seen one of those before? If you have, tell me in the comments and tell me where you saw it, because that's a pretty unique car. I'm not sure how you say his name, so please forgive me, but Louis or Louis Chevrolet, however you say it, this was his personal race car. That is so cool. Look, Mom, people have been racing since 1909. I can't be completely crazy. The C5R here and the C6R are the little brothers to the C7R that we're used to today. This C5 was where they brought the cars back to Le Mans. This homologation car right here, as you can see on the label here, was what they used to get approved by the racing committee and come back into the series. This nice little Chevy Cruze race car. My girlfriend drives a Chevy Cruze, but I can assure you it's not nearly as fast as this one.
2 videos, almost 3 videos.
Yeah, super productive day. I am crying because of this bright sun. This is ridiculous. I think my lens got dirty too. All right, well, we are done here at the museum. Gonna start up the car and go back over to AJ's house and finish up the day. What's really going to be interesting is see you get out of here without hitting your head. Let's see. Oh, he's had some practice.
Like a freaking magic trick.
We have made it back to AJ's house. We're going to go ahead and close out the video here. But like I said, we have got some really cool stuff coming up. So make sure you've hit the subscribe button. Make sure you've liked the video. And go check out AJ's channel to see the other perspective of this day. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.